You see that massive pizza? One slice ain't enough. This is a pizza pillar. Slice it once, boom. Hundreds of pieces come crashing down. Customer line never ends. I just chill and tap a few times. Easy money. Physics insane. Just watching is therapy. Then I stack it, stack it again. Now we've got a pizza tower to the sky. Drive-through line wrapped around the block. Every car grabs a pizza and speeds off. Every upgrade.
Oh.